Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am going to tell you and I am going to teach you about the Qalam, how to make Qalam. So this is called bamboo or wooden piece, you can see, and I am going to make Qalam with the help of this knife. You can see carefully. Again, another attempt. This is Qalam I am making, so you can see that how to make the Qalam. We write Arabic calligraphy with the help of this Qalam, and in my next video I will tell you that how to make thick Qalam, big Qalam. From other side we should make this like this, and then we have to cut it from here. I hope you understand, and you will make this Qalam next time yourself. From here you have to cut. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much.